Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase conversion rates with Unbounce step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Unbounce account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, choose to create a new landing page. Select a template that aligns with your campaign's goals. Preview the template to ensure it fits your vision. Once satisfied, click on the Use Template button to proceed. In the Unbounce editor, familiarize yourself with the layout. Begin by customizing the headline for clarity and impact. Use concise language that speaks directly to your audience's pain points. Next, modify the subheadline to reinforce the main message. Add relevant images or videos that enhance your content. Ensure visuals are high quality and optimized for fast loading. Next, focus on the call to action button. Make sure it stands out with contrasting colors. Use action-oriented text to compel users to click. For instance, replace submit with "Get your free guide." Then, add social proof to establish trust. Include testimonials, reviews, or case studies if available. Ensure these elements are strategically placed on the page. Use bullet points to highlight key features or benefits. Keep the copy concise and easy to scan for visitors. Next, implement A/B testing within Unbounce. Create variations of your landing page for comparison. Test different headlines, images, or call to action texts. After gathering enough data, analyze the performance. Identify which variation yields the highest conversion rates. Based on your findings, make informed adjustments to your landing page. Ensure mobile optimization is a priority. Use Unbounce mobile preview feature to check your design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.